Hey there YouTube, France Hopper here. It's Saturday the 24th of November, and I have an unboxing for you today. Today we're going to be unboxing another kitchen appliance for a change. For Black Friday, Target had an Instapot as a red card early Black Friday deal. This came out to like $63 after discounts. It came with a $10 Target gift card as well. And I'd been looking at getting a crock pot and a rice cooker for a while, and it turns out that this does both of those things, and then some. And apparently everybody seems to be really raving about these online. I would say this, as well as like a sous vide, seem to be like the two hot items for the year. So I picked one up. And apparently there's like a whole variety of these, because funny enough, I had a colleague pick one of these up at a Freddy's, and it was a different model, but like same price and everything, so who knows? I don't know if there's any real difference between them, but let's get down to it. Let's take a look at the box here. Let's go ahead and start opening it up. So this is the 7-in-1 one, apparently. It's got saute feature, fast cooker, slow cooker, keep warm, yogurt maker, pressure cooker. I don't know, it probably washes the dishes for you too, maybe. Who knows? That's what it looks like on the front. There's the side, so there's some of all the things it does. Oh yeah, it does steamer as well. I really don't know how this thing makes yogurt, but apparently it makes yogurt. There's what it looks like inside, all the safety features, some of the accessories and fancy stuff that it comes with. Let's go ahead and open it up. So let's take a look at what we have here. So there's some really exciting diagram of all the things that are supposed to be in there. Let's see if we can get you a better look at that. A little bit. So apparently you have handle cover, a whole bunch of parts. You got the inner pot, cooker body, control panel, whole bunch of stuff. So let's go ahead and start taking it out of the box. So, user manual, mini reference guide, you know, the fun stuff that nobody ever really reads, but you probably should read because this is a pressure cooker. You know, these things can technically blow up. Here's the power cord. Looks like the power cord. Honestly, it actually looks like the kind of power cord you'd find on a computer. Get some styrofoam out of the way here. And ta-da! Here it is. Ta-da! There's an Instapot. That's what it looks like. All shiny and stuff. I'm gonna go try and make rice in this thing. But there you go, that's what it looks like. Figured I'd give you guys a quick unboxing of it, because everybody seems to say that these are like the things to buy, so hey, I bought one. There you go. That'll be it. Okay, actually I lied. Turns out there's a little bit more to this inside that I figured maybe you'd want to see, so I will be doing this one-handed, so forgive the fact that it's going to be a little bit shakier now, but here's a better look at the front panel of it. So it does soup, meat, beans, chili, poultry, slow cook, pressure cook, saute, keep warm, yogurt, steam, porridge, multigrain, rice, all sorts of fun options. Up at the top here is apparently a little steam release valve thing that's got a nice bright orange warning tag on it, and some less bright fun caution e-messages and stuff that apparently the camera really doesn't want to focus on, but basically don't have it on venting apparently while it's on. To open it, you turn it, which is really difficult to do with one hand, and that's what the top of the lid looks like. And inside we have another warning, because let's face it, that's always the first thing you want to see when you open anything. Seriously though, this thing can technically blow up, so do read the safety instructions. Inside we have some like rice paddle scooper thingies. I think it even gave me like a rice measuring cup. Cool. So some accessories. I think that's like a burner or something. I don't know what this is. It's a stopper of some kind, some metal. And then you have the internal pot, which has got some nice, plastic to remove. And let's see, warning, make sure the heating debris or element is free from grease and debris. Don't leave food on the heating element, and remove card before use. So, and then there's another warning about electric shocks and stuff. So, there you go. The internal bucket's got a bit of wrapping on it. And you have a max load line on it. And if we swing this thing around and back, let's see if I can find where the power slot is for this. There it is, it's in the back there. Alright, that will be it for real this time. There's a slightly better look at it close up and the internal components of it, but there you have it. That's the Instapot IP-DUO V3. That's it.